day number 17 of the September Madness Automation Challenge, and today I'm remixing an old classic, alright? This time, this automation was creating both YouTube and TikTok, and I returned the titles of the videos in the top of their categories in terms of views, comments, and general interaction, alright? This is done in the hopes of us creators learning which kind of title and sites these three actions in particular. Alright, since we've gone through the classic version of this automation in detail on day 11, I will just briefly go over my changes. As we know, this will scrape the internet as we learned on day 11, so we've set this to AI automation, that's the term it will scrape. This section over here is for TikTok, this one's for YouTube, alright? So it will scrape TikTok, the best video in terms of views, comments and shares, okay? So what I've changed here is there's still those 5, alright? It's the same formulas which I explained, all these 3, so basically I'll do it again quickly. Sort these in order, and then since it's going to be in the ascending order, I kind of want it in descending order, so I'll reverse it and I only take the first 5, alright? Because I don't have, it costs, the free plan has a rate based on usage, so I'll just take 5 from each, right? So hit the 5 best, same as last video, hit the 5 best, so it'll be the 5 best videos in terms of comment count, view count and share count. And I'm only going to pass out the amount of likes, comments and shares respectively, and the title, right? So you can see here the title of the TikTok and the amount of people that's watched it, and you go here will be a comments and everything, alright? Alright, so separate them all into individual videos and just send them to the Google Sheet, alright? So same for the comments, for the views and shares. Same thing for YouTube, alright? After these 3 are done, it will go to the 4th chain here. And this one's web script YouTube, bring all the information into one group and then sort by view count, like and comments, alright? So take the same formula, so it takes the first 5, alright, best performing in terms of views, likes and comments, separate them all into separate data points, right, and then put them into Google Sheet. Let me show you how that looks for now. Alright, so not as nice as the other one, but we don't need data because we're not using market research for this, but we kind of are, but not really, alright? So see the TikTok comments and the video that it comes from. Like in the original video, we had a bunch of information. We don't need that for this, right? All we need is the category and the video title. Okay, so you see all this information, alright? We're going to use that to do some research into why these titles incite so much of that particular comment. So for example, why did these YouTube videos incite so much likes? You might be asking, it's probably broken because so many YouTube likes, right? But AI automation is quite a niche subject, so it's kind of normal, right? It's not top, this is a top 5 in a certain category, right? It's not like overall, right? I set some sort of time limits because you might know like some 1 with a million views is not here for a reason, right? All this information, and I need to do a second automation to make this what we want. Alright, here's the back end, alright? Exact same thing for each of the 3 branches, so I'll explain one, right? So you get all the sheets just made, alright? All this information, right? Take everything out, bring it all into one group, and then pass out the bits about the comments, right? So it's going to be the title and the name. So it can be, so since they're already organized by comment counts for the first one, for example, we don't need to actually get the amount of comments, right? They're already the top 5, so we just need the titles, right? So each of the 5 are the pairs of YouTube and TikTok titles, alright? So here's if you tell this is the TikTok title, this is the YouTube title, right? This whole process here, these 3, is the process of bringing it all together into one big old text, alright? Pass this in the chat. I'm going to ask it to look at it, research everything, and tell us why this title has done so well in this category, right? So comments, and it will return the reason to the Google Sheet, right? So it's going to go to each of the 3 comments, views, and interactions, right? And let's see what happens. Alright, back in Google Sheet, and here's our results, right? Maybe look blank, but it's not blank. Are you ready for this? Gonna double click on this and look at this, right? For the YouTube titles, it's done its own analysis of each of the 5. So it's done its own analysis and chose the 4 particular topics which are really good to get the titles, right? And it will actually tell you what to do at the end to make your titles inside more comments, alright? Same for TikTok, okay? It's different advice for different subjects, right? Because TikTok, you need to do hashtag and stuff. YouTube, the hashtag YouTube in the description, right? So that's stuff for the comments. See, I want to show you the views work. Yep. Titles to incite views, and then titles to incite interactions like liking, shares and stuff, right? So yeah, each of the 3 different specific device tailored for these 3 sort of topics, and these are all like boosts, these are all like backed by real data as you saw, so it's not like randomly typing in ChatGPT how to make videos and make more likes, right? This is real videos and it's using it as real input to decide real advice, right? So yeah, quick one for today. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow with day number 18.